Is your iPhone waking up automatically when you pick it up? If you want to turn the Raise to Wake feature on or off, it's super simple to do. This feature automatically lights up your screen when you raise your iPhone, but it can be turned off if you'd rather not have it. Let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down, look for Raise to Wake. Toggle the switch to turn it on or off. If you want it to turn on, slide it to the right. To turn it off, slide it to the left. After that, your iPhone will either wake up when it is raised, and if you have turned it off, it will stay off until you tap it. So guys, that's it. That's how you enable or disable Raise to Wake on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. And if you want more helpful tips and tricks like this one, subscribe to the channel as I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.